Hello everyone and welcome back. This is my first video in YouTube and as giving information of myself, I'm 12 years old and I have learned to draw anime a lot and I love this kind of drawing. So today I have started with my first video in YouTube, and please like my videos if you find them worthy enough, and to show encouragement and support, click your comments in the comment section, and for more encouragement don't forget to subscribe. So now today is a video of eye tutorial. Let's first see the canvas size. Most of my paintings I choose one A4 150 dpi. So we have chosen it, and for the brush texture we use this glass pen. First of all, make the outlines as such. I will reduce the pen size to 1.6. This is good. First make a base outline like this. This is for the eyelash. Make this for the eyes bottom portion. Then fill it with black. These small corner parts we have to give with pen textures. Okay. Now to the eyeball. So from the ruler option, choose the oval ruler, the elliptical ruler. Rotate it and increase its size. Make it somewhat like one part of it should be up of the eyelash. Here. Okay, this is alright. We will now draw the eyeball. Off. We got our eyeball. Now a few lines at its bottom portion and a few bottom eyelashes too. I don't give bottom eyelashes that much, but you can give it a little if you want to. It's totally upon your choice. Here we have our eye here. We'll give a few eyelashes in this portion. Here you got them. And now a little bit skin and eyebrow. Here we have our eye. Now we have to give the fill colors. For this, choose another layer and make it the first layer. Drag it down. Now choose the bucket option. From there go to, like, you can choose any color you wish to, but for this one I will choose magenta. Yes, this texture is fine. Then fill it up. Go back to your pen. This while choose another layer. For this one we'll use airbrush. Airbrush normal. Reduce the size and reduce the opacity and give a darker shade. We prefer neon colors for this. Here we have a brighter shade in here. Choose this color and go to now a lighter shade and give this lighter shade in here. We have shades. Now choose the bucket option and from there the eraser bucket. Remove these parts. Okay. Now choose another layer and then go to glass pen. Now choose the darkest portion of it and go to even a darker brush. Here. It's the bucket to, wait 1 second, yeah. Choose the bucket to fill it up again. This gives a better effect to your eye. Choose another darker part and then fill it up here. And now we will choose a lighter portion and then make it in this part. This way we have this much texture. Now we'll choose this darker part and make the eyeball. make a little bit of a circle for this. And now choose this part, a little bit darker part of the pink color. Then fill it up like this. Now choose a bit lighter part of it. And from a lighter part, and then the lightest part of your drawing. Now choose the blur option, and you can keep the opacity on full and then blur this part.